Welcome, grade 7 and 8, back to our second week of science as we continue to dive further into mixtures and solutions. Today, we're going to be taking a look at different types of solutions. So, what type of substance comes to mind when you think of a solution? Most people think of a liquid, but solutions can be liquids, solids, or gases. A solution can be one of 9 actual possible combinations of gases, liquids, and solids. Two or more gases can mix together to form what we call a gaseous solution. Even though mixtures of gases are not generally referred to as solutions, they have all the characteristics of solutions. Since the oxygen, nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases in the atmosphere are well mixed by the wind, the air that we breathe is a solution. A liquid solution is a solution in which a solid, gas, or other liquid is dissolved into a liquid solvent. Water is a common liquid solvent, and so a solution in which water is the solvent is called an aqueous solution. The symbol AQ is used to indicate an aqueous solution. The solute in an aqueous solution can be any of the three phases. When you add sugar to tea, the sugar, which is a solid, is the solute. When you add lemon juice to water, the lemon juice, a liquid, is the solute. And one of the solutes in carbonated drinks is carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Oxygen gas also dissolves in water. Most marine and freshwater organisms depend on small amounts of oxygen dissolved within the water in order to survive. A solid that can be dissolved in water to form an aqueous solution is called a water-soluble solid. Water-soluble substances are present in soap solutions used in washing dishes and clothes. Instant coffee granules are a water-soluble substance that dissolves in hot water to make coffee. Unfortunately, some water-soluble chemicals, such as phosphates and nitrates, have dissolved in our fresh water supply and end up polluting it. A solid can act as a solvent. It might seem odd to think of one solid dissolving another, but it happens. The most common solid solutions are made by melting two or more substances together to form alloys. An alloy is a solid solution made of two or more metals, or of a metal and a nonmetal. Gold jewelry, brass, and stainless steel are all examples of alloys. Gold jewelry is made by dissolving copper into gold. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and stainless steel is an alloy of iron and chromium. Alloys are used because they have properties that each of the original elements do not have. Alloys can be stronger and more resistant to corrosion, have higher melting points, and conduct heat or electricity better than their original metals. For example, even though solid gold is worth more than a copper-gold alloy, jewelry made of copper and gold is stronger and harder than solid gold jewelry. Solids and gases can also form solutions. Small atoms such as hydrogen, lithium, or boron can mingle with metal atoms. Hydrogen, for example, dissolves very well into platinum. Here are a couple examples of different solutions as we take a look at the solutes and the solvents that make up each. For example, if we take a look at air, we are combining the gas oxygen as a solute with the gas of nitrogen as a solvent. Carbonated pop has us mixing carbon dioxide, a gas, with water, a liquid. Atmospheric water vapor has us mixing water, which is a liquid, with air, which is a gas. And 14-karat gold is generally a combination of copper, which is a solid, and gold, which is another solid, making it an alloy.